So yeah, so next week most likely I'll do either always I'll do the that big artistry palette, and then I'll do the always blushing and the always naked. So um what an adventure. So much for me putting in the red, orange, yellow. I need to bleach my roots really bad. Um, so I'm hope if I'm up for it this weekend, I'll probably do that. And the Friday before I got COVID, I had went to um, the beauty supply store, and it was only $4.50 as compared to like um, it was, I think it was $6, $7, or $8 on Amazon. So I got all six. Not sure I'm gonna do them because we're already in the fall and that's really bright, so it's supposed to be for the summer. But I did get them because they were, a really good price. Cost me, I think, less than $30 to get all of that. If I did on Amazon, it would have been more like 50. So um, that Saturday, I called up the Alvin Walmart because they usually get the display in for the fantasy makers, and they said that they saw a display there, but I wasn't sure the lady knew what she was talking about. So I decided to go to not my local, but which I probably should have tried. I went to the other one, the second closest Walmart to me, just before I go and drive all the way down to Alvin, and they had it. And I was so happy because then I found that I had COVID and I wouldn't have been able to shop, and I would have been jumping out of my skin. But that's when I got all the stuff that I had showed you. There's only one thing I haven't gotten, and I didn't know, I didn't see it, and somebody did a close-up of the lashes, and one of them is purple and black. I didn't see that day. I guess it just threw them all. They had 4 spaces, but I guess it just threw them all there. So I need to go back for that. But and my Walmart finally carried it because now that I'm non-contagious, I checked it out. So I showed you in the pictures. This is like the moon. This to me looks like a moon goddess. The face gems, and I love my spider webs. The other 2 were the same as last year. These are the 2 new ones, so I did get that. I thought that the face gems were new. I know Amanda told me they're not. And then sure enough, when I got to see a close-up of it, they were all repeats. I don't really like big, fancy lashes because I tried that once and I had to take them off immediately. I couldn't even open up my eyes. So the only lashes I liked that I saw was Enchant. They're just normal lashes. But then, like I said, yesterday some girl was, because they didn't do this last year, but this year they sent out the PR packages, and this lady did a close up of all the 4 lashes, and one of them was purple. So now I gotta go and check that out and see if I can find the purple ones. The 2 new things they have this year is these liquid. It's like a blood red and then a bright red. It's called a lip and cheek tint. This one's Love Bites, and this one is Blood Bank, I believe. It's the darker red, which I'm definitely going to wear this year. They have the nail stickers. Fright Club is the one with the red, the orangey red one going across here. And then the one with the green is called Trick Me? And that's the one with the green going down. And this is what I saw on the Walgreens display on Instagram. I really wanted this. This is perfect for highlighting. And if you're going to do contouring with that gray, you can. You can use it as an eyeshadow, blush for Halloween. And then I love this. It's got a little pumpkin face. I didn't even know it till I bought it. It's called Let's Get Smashed. And it's orange because I never found the orange during the summer. And then I was just putting in Illuminator and at Poshmark she said it was gold. It's a warm toned gold. So I'm assuming that was their orange, but I was thinking they saved their orange pigment for this. Then they had all the regular line, the color sticks, the multi-sticks, and on the display they had, and I found this yesterday, they have green. I got green. I saw green and white, but there was 2 whites. I said I really want to go back and see. And yeah, it turns out they have 2 whites for their regular line. I don't know if it's going to be in their regular line, but it's the regular line packaging. So I got it. So it's green, white, and pearl. They had pearl in their fantasy makers for the summer with the stars on it, but those don't have it. So Amanda also told me that all their eyeshadows are the same ones as last year. And I think I told you last time, the Mummy of the Year looked different because the last Mummy of the Year had a teal, and this year they added a brown and took out the teal. So this is really the only different one. And those 2 browns look exactly the same, but I haven't swatched them. But yeah, I compared these, and they are exactly the same. The only difference might be the pigment might be a little lighter in the newer ones, but they're the exact same thing, except for maybe, just like I said, a stronger pigment, you know. So I got them anyway. So yeah, and like I said, like I showed in my last video, I had the rainbow. That was new. The rainbow paint palettes. That was definitely new, only because they actually added the purple to it, where before it came, I think, with the pink. And the other ones, the only one that I noticed was exactly the same was the pastels. But both the brown and the smoky one, they removed the color in both of them and put black in them. So, you know, just a heads up for that. And the only mask I got, stencils, was for the Trickster. So, a lot of things I can do this year. You know, again, and I say this always as a disclaimer, I do not celebrate Halloween because I do not believe in what it stands for. But, you know, like, I don't go trick-or-treating or anything, but I do love, it's the only day you could go out being creative and nobody looks at you like you're crazy. So that's that with that.